Hello beautiful people, this is me, I'm your host, and today I'm gonna review with you, I should say rehaul some of the products from the Indeed Lab. So if you're curious, please carry on. Indeed Lab, it's a Canadian brand which you don't really hear too much about because one of the small companies, but because of that they're very innovative. So for example, even if they're gonna release something after a couple years, they're gonna improve the formula. Why? Because the technology is changing and also you're gonna see a bigger results. So I have here a few items which I already did try it. Some of them are the repurchases. I'm gonna tell you what I think about them and explain it to you about the product and if I already repurchased or not. Okay, let me start with the peel pads. Those are the no acid pads, gentle alternative to acids. You're getting 30 pads. They're coming in like a nice simple box container with an opener. No, I don't have the pads anymore because I already used them up. But if you never use acids and you don't know if your skin is gonna tolerate, this is a nice option. And yes, I already have one more waiting for me. I use acid, so it didn't do any impression on me. Yes, I'm gonna use it up, but no, I'm not gonna repurchase because I can use something stronger than this. But if you never use it, this is something nice to start with. Oh, let me just show you something. So their products come in a, let's say, white boxes and they're color coordinated. So for example, the purple one is like a treatment. The pink, it's for hydration. Let's say the red is retinol. I know they have a few different colors, but it's easy to recognize them in your cabinet if you have a lot of items. Okay, going back to the rest of the video. So I already talked about the pads. Next item is their hyaluron. They have a whole range of those items. It's a moisture jelly. It looks like this. So it has a clear gel inside. Comes with a tab, so when you pump it, the gel is in. The formula, it's really nice, but it does hydrate and it's gonna absorb really fast. What I like about it, you can layer it on top of the other products and you're gonna have no issues with it. Let's see what they claim. Uses combination of 5 proven ingredients help to provide instant and sustained moisture to skin. True. Suspended in hyaluronic acid matrix, refreshing jelly features some kind of a chemical which I cannot read it. Micro network complex that helps to lock in moisture, leaving skin supple and glowing. Pair with hyaluronic moisture serum for optimal results. Okay, sounds good. I already use it, so I know I do like it and it does what it claims. But let me read you a little bit about the company itself. At Indeed Lab, our objective is simple. Okay? Eliminate all marketing hype and costs from skincare and instead deliver results as cost effective as possible. We use very high concentrations of the rarest activities from laboratories in Switzerland, Spain, France and US. That sounds good. Quality is our #1 priority and we never sacrifice at any cost. Through efficiently and honestly, we maintain the most reasonable prices in our class indeed. And yes, it is true because the regular prices are affordable. And also if you sign for the emails, they also have different offers. So let's say, not too long ago, if you spend certain amount, you could get 1 or 2 products for free, or they have different kind of bundles. Also around holidays, or I should say Black Friday, Cyber Monday, some of their items, they're like 50% off and it comes really cheap. And To be honest, that's what I'm stacking up because I'm getting the same products for half the price. So you cannot have better bargain than that. Okay, so that's the moisture jelly. It comes in a box like this, but also you can buy it in a set with the cream and the tube. Let's put it this way, deep penetrating serum and jelly. I have the serum previously, comes in a tube. And similarly as the, okay, it's still sealed, it does hydrate, but because it's the serum, you're gonna apply it in between, and yes, it will absorb fast. So in case if you do like to layer, this one is nice. So for sure I'm gonna use it up. Okay, moving on to the rest of the items. I have their Q10 booster. Q10 is produced by our heart, meaning it's naturally occurring in our bodies, and there is no way you're gonna have any allergic reactions. It comes in a pipette. It's a milky serum. I do enjoy it. As you see, I already have 2 empties. I went through more than that because I do like the product. For fine lines and wrinkles, energized skin with multifaceted natural antioxidant for a more youthful tone and complexion. When I use it, my skin does looks way better, and I like what I see. Your skin is looking way better, nicer, it's more plumper. So yes, that's one of the products which I do like it, and for sure I'm gonna try to stack it up next time they have some kind of a sale. And then what else we got? Next product is the retinol. This is retinol reverse. Combines retinol and peptides to help deliver soft and smoother looking skin while helping to reduce the appearance of crow's feet for fine line and wrinkles. Retinol is one of those ingredients which is proven to work with anti-aging science. This one comes with a red tab. It has a pump. As you see, I already finished it up, and I do like it. The nice thing about it, it's so gentle, you can use it every night. But if you never use retinol, I would say use it like every 2 or 3 nights just to adjust your skin. And yes, I already have another replacement because I do like it. And for sure I'm recommending this item to you. One of the items which they have is the Snoxine. It's a peptide serum. So let's say when you use retinol, you want to use in conjunction with peptides because they're both supplement each other. This is the old package. Right now, okay, this one it's called Snoxine. The new version, it's called Pepta Bright. Even skin tone enhancer for uneven skin tone, helps to diminish the appearance of dark spots. So yes, that's another benefit of peptides. So let's say, come on, so that's the old package, that's the new one, but you're still getting, here we go, it still comes in a tube. Couple other items is their nanoblur. Nanoblur is like their blurring primer. With this you can use it on top of your makeup, or if you don't wear any makeup, on top of your skin. So here we go, it comes like this. So it's got cream, and then it's gonna kind of blur everything. So you have, let's say if you have bigger pores, or if you want to make your skin look smooth for the pictures, yeah, this is something which gonna does the job. And this product won many awards, comes in a tube. And not too long ago they come up with different versions. I have the green corrector, and yes, it is actually green, so we can apply it on its own and it's gonna kind of reduce the redness, or should say minimize it. You can also use it before the foundation. I use it on the days where I don't wear makeup, but at least it's gonna cover some of my redness. And yes, I already have a backup of it. Another and final item is their 10 balm. If you're familiar with the, I'm thinking, it's the La Roche-Posay Cicaplast. I think it is Cicaplast. It's a heavier moisturizer, but it's like a miracle for your skin, especially when it's dry or you don't know what else to do to make it hydrated. So this is similar. 10 Balm Intensive Cream that helps to soothe and repair skin using unique blend of nature's 10 most powerful healing ingredients. The name is balm, but it's not heavy at all. I already used one of them, already used full tube of it, and this is my second one. Even though it says balms, look, it's already gone. I do like it, and you know what? It's one of those things which you cannot go wrong with. So for example, let's say you overuse retinols, your skin is peeling, you don't know what to do. Use this one, and after a couple days, or should say after a day or two, you're gonna really see the difference. I do like it, and yeah, for sure I'm gonna rebuy it again. Okay, so that was my short rehaul / overview of the Indeed products. Hopefully it was helpful, and I see you next time. Bye!